Hi everybody, it's Llewellyn with Warrenton Whimsy here. So we started this the other day. I did go back and do some of the sunset that's up there. And it's gonna be a wave with an octopus, and there's gonna be like a sea turtle and some fish. So this one's gonna be, I like it already. I'm excited to do this one, it's different. So I'm gonna keep working on this wave, and I'm not even sure, there's gonna be a lot more like drippies and stuff coming down. I just have it outlined like I usually do and trying to get it all in there. So I got some of it done earlier today, and I just wanted to keep going. So one thing I noticed when I was looking at waves was that this part, let me bring you guys in a little bit closer so that you're seeing my canvas, which is a dresser, of course. There we go. I hope you guys can see that well. So one thing I did notice when I was looking at the pictures is that like this bottom part of the wave wasn't perfect, but it was also like really bright white. So I'm gonna kind of make it a little bit brighter as I come down. And let's see, we'll get some of these lines in here is what I wanted to do tonight. Let's get some more of those details in here. I kind of had to let the background dry because it was those dark blue colors, and I use mostly the Dixie Belle paint, and it tends to blend. That is like its favorite thing to do is blend all of those pretty colors together. So I always have to wait a little bit. I want to get a hint of like that sunset color in there too. So yeah, we're just gonna keep going back and forth between our colors. I've got cotton is my white. That was a lot. And I want to make a nice bright edge, like the sun's kind of hitting that water and you're seeing a reflection. And then I'm gonna come down into some drips and some foam over here. I think I got a little too much of that flamingo on my brush. But my colors that I'm using are the flamingo, is this orangey color, and then this white, the white is cotton. So that's what I'm using so far. Basically for the reflection, I'm gonna try and make it look like little ripples coming towards us. And I think I might change the shape of the top of the wave. I've been looking at it all day and not really caring for it, but we're just gonna jump right in and go here. So I'm gonna make the edges the brightest. And right here, wherever the sun would be hitting it is always gonna be where you're getting the most of the light in there. So let's kind of bring it around. And I can always go back in. I'm gonna go back and forth with all my colors too. Another color that I was mainly using is the Gulf, which is this blue color right here. So I was adding some of that in there. And that's kind of like a highlight as well. We're gonna add more of that back in. So I like to go in when I'm like color blocking basically and putting in all my colors, blocking in my colors and like where they're gonna be. And I'd use like the darkest color first, and then you can kind of leave it peeking through wherever your shadows might be. So my darkest colors that I did on there were cobalt, and I think Bunker Hill blue is my other dark blue. So I want the front of this wave to be pretty bright, and I even am gonna put some of those sunset colors in there and kind of have them like bounce off. We're just gonna get lighter. So down here, this is kind of like the bottom of my swell, kind of the under of the wave. And then I'm gonna have this water right here is gonna be a little bit darker, so I'm gonna go in with some Bunker Hill blue. And I'll keep going back and forth. I'm gonna give that a break for a second. So I'll bring in this darker Bunker Hill blue to kind of show some definition between the wave and this lower area that wouldn't be getting as much light. Oh, I think that was cobalt. I apologize. There's Bunker Hill Blue. I've just got all these colors open down here, so I get confused. There we go. I'm also going to come back in too with some of the colors of the sunset as well in this wave. I'm not going to do it yet because I want these blues to dry. If I try and go in with my flamingo or my apricot or my yellow right now, these paints will all just kind of blend to brown because they're still so wet. So I'm going to wait, and I'll be doing that in a little bit. For watching tonight. I hope you guys have a great night, and I will see you all on Wednesday. Bye.